Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Meghalaya Conrad ke Sangma hadin ke Jylla ke kenhun ki Menteri ke Sorkar MDA2 ula pentep Shen an Pyntreikam no ke Skhim na ke benta ki Koidi ki bawan na ki long yeng ki baduna ha ke yok ka kon katapan ai jingrap ha ke liang pisah. Habakran sikilat pathai kubor hadin ke Jylla ke kenhun Menteri ke Sorkar MDA2 Conrad ulaong bakani ke Skhim kedai ke bala Pyntreikam da ke Sorkar pedang habaro ki Jylla ke ban ai jingrap pisah na ke benta ki Koidi ha ke ban yakun ban yok jamin na lor kiwe.
A scheme that was initiated and implemented by Government of India, which is a scheme for financial support to poor prisoners. This is basically a scheme of Government of India, and states are supposed to implement it. The financial impact is zero for the state, as the entire amount is paid by Government of India. This is basically meant for BPL, and obviously you have to be a citizen of India. Prisoners who are in prison and are not financially strong enough to be able to take up different bails and different procedures and payments to be made so that they can be free, or they can come out, or they can fight their case in the court. So in all these aspects, there's a program that has come out by Government of India, and all the states are supposed to implement it. We have been preparing this for the last few months, and now we are ready to roll it out. And so this is approval today was given by Cabinet to implement the scheme for financial support to poor prisoners.
Kon ba iet ngi ju shat jing bam man la kasngi hato ngi la ju perkhat ba ka bam ka bang ngi bam ka tain em ya ka met jungi
mai ngi ju bam ki ni ki ju ki jing bam man la kasngi bale kane ka jing kali minta
ka to ka dukan ration ba penyai uba raju uya tho yanga
Nrai man kapor yem ju yo ai kajing bam ki batay ka met ki balong ka daw jong kajing pang anemia pat kajing brie jong ki kman
ba kumno ngan lai na kini ki jing stam
kong nangkong pide ban penmelin ban bam ya ki jing bam ki ba pha hakrukom bam jong pi bunsen ki long kmi bat ki khulong khana ki yo ya kini ki jing pang namar kim yo ya ka jing bam bantei ya ka men ka Sorkar kelas dang ya ka food fortification ha ukhaw ata melu kadut bat ka umpnyang bam baro kindon ke jingbam ka bantei kum ka iron folic acid vitamin B12 iodine zinc vitamin A bat vitamin D yakini baro kila banyo na ki jingbam badi ha ki dukan ration
kata kamut ngi dan yu khau 45 babyang bhabat ngi
mai uni khau tu bai biang ba pitharai baro kin bang ban ba mi uni
kon ka fortification jong khau kandum khata ya ka jing mat ba ka jing long jing man jong khau
mai karukam ban bu ya ki ba karukam shet pat kala ban pher
om dai kon om dan jing pher la da dei ha karukom bu ni rukom shet kum ba fi ju shet yu khau ba fi thien kum ju ru la shet ya uni u khau
okum ta
te kon ka jing bam ba ai ka kwat ka khya bat ka ba ai bor ka met ka phat bat ka bor per khat jungi hato dang dan ki jing bam ba kham bha ban ya uni
hoit mai fikran ya ka badai shisha
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko Office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya